Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we're gonna be making a little project that's gonna be in Python, and it's gonna be about making a random sentence. And this is gonna be a little video on how you can build these and how you can actually use the the random library, sorry, not import. So yeah, if we start off with adding our library, import random, can go down and define our function, which is going to be generate random sentence. Generate. This is going to be our function. Now the subjects are gonna is equals to as following: I, you, he, she, capital, she, and they. And the verbs is equals to. Now you can pick whatever you want or whatever you want to make. Now I'm gonna go run, I'm gonna go eat, I'm gonna go sleep, and I'm gonna go dance, and I'm gonna go sing. So those are the verbs that I'm gonna choose. Okay, I predicted, I have no idea. And then we have the objects, which is gonna be is equals to, oops, there. And we're gonna go ahead and start off with a book. No, wait, no, not a book. The beach, a pizza, there, a song, and the stars. Now we have created our subjects, verbs, and objects. We can go ahead and make the subjects variable without the s. Mark is different. This one is in all these three are in plural. This is going to be a singular, and random dot choice, and then from a subject. So it's going to pick a random choice from the subjects. Now we do just the same thing for both of these. I don't know why it's the same object. There we go. And now we can move forward. Now we're going to create a new variable, which is going to be sentence. Now sentence is going to be equal to f, and then we're going to add double quotes. Wait, there. Subject. This is for printing out the sentence. A verb. Oops, why am I up here? A verb. And an object. And then we end the sentences with a period. There we go. Then we're gonna just return the sentence so that it actually prints it out. Then if underscore name underscore is equals to main, no wait, no, underscore main underscore, then we're gonna go ahead and random dot sentence is equals to generate random sentence, and we're gonna print a random sentence. There we go. That's our little project done. Let's see how they sleep a pizza. Let's run that again. Low. He won the stars. He sing a song. Space there. I sleep the star. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and run this a few times. See how it does. Now you can see. I sleep the stars. I dance a dog. Wait, no, I dance a song. I dance the beach. They eat the beach. Okay. Okay. Well, we can also add more of these. So for verbs, we can say I love, and then I hate. Then what you can see, I don't know. I'm Now we can go here, we can add more objects, the horse, the pencil, the school, the tractor, and for this we can add some more. It, I, you, he, she, they. Okay, us is also an option. Us, there. Now we can go ahead and see this. Now it says they. I'm pizza. Makes absolutely no sense. What's the verb I'm? That makes no sense. We can remove that one. I don't know a book. Okay. What more? I love a song. Okay, so it's choosing that. It sleep a song. No, these sentences make no sense. But the code basically defines the function of generate random sentence that creates a sentence by randomly selecting the subject, or like a subject from the subjects and a verb from the verbs variable, and the objects from the predefined list that we have defined over here. And when you can run the script, it will generate a random sentence each time, and then also you can customize these lists or add like more words to create more variation between sentences. So you can like add a bunch of words, and now your random sentence generator could become even more random. Yeah. So that's it for this little project, and see you guys in the next video.